The Good News by John. 5 parts and 50 events of eyewitness testimony. So, right here, this is where Jesus loves his disciples, chapters 9 through 13, which is really cool. It begins off in chapter 9. Two or three things kind of happen because when Jesus, a blind man is healed, then questioned about Jesus, and Jesus responds to the blind man and the Pharisees. That sort of transpires over chapter 9 and continues through chapter 10. Then Jesus teaches during the Feast of Dedication. After that, Lazarus is raised to life in Bethany, and then the chief priests and the Pharisees plot to kill Jesus. Then Jesus is anointed by Mary with perfume. Large crowds welcome Jesus before the Passover. Jesus prophesies his death to the crowd, 30 verses telling them all what's going to happen. Then Jesus eats the Last Supper and washes the feet, and indeed predicts who will betray and deny him.